अस्सलाम वालेकुम अज़ीज़ तलबा व तालबात, स्किल्स एकेडमी के प्लेटफॉर्म पर आप तमाम लोगों को एक बार फिर से खुश आमदीद। शॉर्ट हैंड में इम्पॉर्टेंट पैराग्राफ की प्रैक्टिस के सिलसिला की इंतहाई अहम वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हैं। तो आइए लेक्चर नंबर 3 का आगाज़ करते हैं।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डेली डॉन आर्टिकल टाइटल ओवर नो मई वायलेंस। लेट्स स्टार्ट। Liar and activist Gibran Nasir on Thursday asked the government to provide a list of all the people detained on charges of vandalism and violence on May 9th, as he raised concerns that the families of those under custody were still unaware of their whereabouts. Full stop. Violent protests erupted across the country on May 9 following the arrest of PTI chairman Imran Khan. Full stop. During the demonstrations, angry mobs vandalized state and military installations, including the general headquarters in Rawalpindi, the Lahore Corps Commander's House, and a Radio Pakistan office in Peshawar. Full stop. The events were strongly condemned by both the civil and military leaders, who decided to observe May 9 as Black Day. Full stop. The army has also resolved to try the rioters under army laws, a decision which was endorsed by the National Security Committee. Full stop. New para. Along with the criticism, the government has also launched an intense crackdown on those behind the violence, who it allegedly mostly belong to the PTI. Full stop. Prominent party leaders such as Shiri Mazari, Shah Mahmood Qureshi, Asad Umar and Ali Haider Zaidi have been sent to jail under the maintenance of public order. New para. On the other hand, former Prime Minister Imran Khan has claimed that the miscreants involved in the riots were agency's men, saying that he has video evidence to prove it. Full stop. However, the PTI chief is yet to share the evidence. Full stop. Imran has also said on several occasions that over 7,000 PTI supporters mostly civilians have been arrested and illegally abducted in the aftermath of the protest. Full stop. Raising concerns over the arrest of the thousands of citizens across the country, liar Gibran Nasir said that Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif should dissolve the number of women and juveniles detained so far. Full stop. A list of all in custody must be made public with the current location of their detention, as several families remain unaware of whereabouts, he tweeted. Full stop. New para. Nasir stressed that every citizen had the right to access justice, but when citizens don't know the details of the charges against them, their families don't know their whereabouts to reach them or be made aware of their physical condition and state. Full stop. New para. No operation to preserve law should violate the law, he highlighted. Full stop. New para. The activist added, the condition of PTI leaders whose every movement is reported on media, who have a panel of liars at their disposal and political connections, is in front of us. So just imagine the plight of ordinary citizens who may be in jail for mere association with PTI. Full stop. who will ensure their rights? Interrogation. Another liar, Haider Ali, but also lamented that citizens were being politically victimized for merely being affiliated with the PTI. Full stop. New para. Their houses are being raided and the police are arresting them by violating Chadar and Char Diwari privacy, he said, adding that he was getting calls from the loved ones of those detained. Full stop. Stop writing.